Tesla's groundbreaking production methods, notably the giant gigapress, aim to streamline manufacturing and cut costs, significantly enhancing efficiency compared to traditional automakers. This innovative approach has the potential to transform automotive production. The design of the Tesla Model 2 marks a shift from luxury towards affordability and practicality, appealing to everyday consumers. This strategic pivot is essential in a market where cost often means sacrificing quality. Incorporating advanced technology like standard autopilot features and an intuitive touchscreen, the Model 2 ensures that even an economical vehicle retains Tesla's signature tech allure. This integration is vital for attracting tech-savvy drivers. Over-the-air software updates empower the Model 2 to evolve continuously, allowing performance improvements without requiring dealership visits, greatly benefiting users in the long run. By omitting high-end features, Tesla keeps the Model 2's price competitive against popular gas-powered crossovers, directly addressing the growing consumer demand for affordable electric vehicles. The anticipated design of the Model 2 resembles a scaled-down version of the Model 3, likely enhancing its appeal among mainstream consumers looking for a familiar aesthetic. Tesla's future vision includes a multi-purpose vehicle intended for families and group travel, thereby broadening its market beyond individual consumers. Switching to sodium-ion and lithium iron phosphate batteries plays a pivotal role in lowering production costs while improving performance metrics. This transition bolsters Tesla's commitment to sustainable energy. Tesla's innovative production strategy, featuring gigapress technology, reduces assembly time and labor costs, ultimately enhancing the affordability of the Model 2. This efficiency results in higher quality with fewer parts. The accessibility of federal EV tax credits and various state incentives significantly impacts the final purchase price for buyers, making electric vehicles more attainable for middle and lower-income families. Tesla's manufacturing process notably reduces production costs by adopting a single-shell design, facilitating streamlined assembly while minimizing the number of parts. This efficiency leads to faster production than traditional methods. Through vertical integration, Tesla effectively controls costs from battery production to software updates, delivering a seamless ownership experience. This strategy enhances Tesla's competitiveness against established automakers. The Model 2's estimated driving range of 350 miles on a single charge distinguishes it within the entry-level segment, offering both practicality and affordability, an impressive feat for a vehicle in this price range. Engineered specifically for urban settings, the Model 2 features a compact design, delivering a distinct ride quality suited for daily use, marking a departure from Tesla's previous models. New battery technologies, such as sodium-ion, enable the Model 2 to achieve a potential range of 320 miles, effectively alleviating range anxiety for everyday drivers and emphasizing lightweight design and energy efficiency. Tesla's production strategy employs gigacasting and shared components to significantly lower manufacturing costs, with the aim of bringing the Model 2's price below $15,000. Direct-to-door delivery could enhance affordability further. The unique self-delivery system of the Model 2 minimizes last-mile delivery costs and enhances the purchasing experience, leveraging advanced technology for a streamlined user interface. Tesla prepares for potential challenges associated with federal EV tax credits by optimizing its manufacturing processes. This strategy may allow the Model 2 to remain competitive and affordable. Design choices for the Model 2 prioritize compactness and agility, catering to urban environments while maintaining Tesla's modern aesthetic and commitment to safety and efficiency. Tesla showcases an impressive production rate, releasing a new electric vehicle every 30 seconds. This remarkable efficiency underscores their commitment to scaling production, even amidst leadership challenges. BYD emerges as Tesla's primary competitor, offering affordable electric vehicles like the Seagull. Their ability to market low-cost models compels Tesla to re-evaluate its pricing and production strategies. The introduction of the next-generation 4680 LFP battery represents a significant breakthrough. This innovation promises enhanced thermal stability and notably reduced costs, which are critical for Tesla's pricing structure. Production costs for the Model 2 are projected to decline due to Tesla's investments in new battery technology, potentially offering savings of $4,000 to $8,000 for buyers. Such efficiencies enhance the vehicle's affordability. Tesla's focus shifts towards a compact crossover design for the Model 2, aligning with current market trends that favor smaller vehicles in urban environments. This design effectively addresses space constraints. To maintain cost-effectiveness, Tesla plans to omit several premium features from higher-end models, such as leather seats and advanced sound systems. This approach aims to enhance affordability while preserving essential performance. Gigacasting technology enables Tesla to manufacture large car components as a single piece, significantly reducing the number of parts and simplifying assembly. This innovation is crucial for driving down production costs. The Tesla Model 2 is anticipated to launch in late 2025, with a starting price of $16,990 for the base model. This positioning makes it a competitive contender against budget-friendly EVs from brands like BYD. Despite facing hurdles in both sales and production, Tesla's emphasis on affordability with the Model 2 seeks to attract a broader customer base, ensuring its competitive edge in the electric vehicle market. Switching from synthetic leather seats to fabric upholstery results in savings of around $400. While this may disappoint some customers who prefer leather, it represents a practical compromise for a budget-friendly vehicle. Tesla's decision to introduce a manual liftgate instead of a powered one saves approximately $250. This choice simplifies production complexity and reduces long-term maintenance expenses. Equipped with a 53 kWh LFP battery, the Model 2 offers an estimated range of 230 miles. This performance is efficient for a small hatchback and responds to market demands for affordability. Tesla aims to establish insurance models and legal standards before fully implementing autonomous driving technology. This proactive strategy is essential for addressing safety concerns and minimizing potential liabilities. The forecasted growth in the robotaxi market indicates substantial potential, with expectations reaching $43.76 billion by 2030. This projection underscores the lucrative prospects of autonomous ride-sharing services. Tesla owners face legal challenges, as even minor issues can lead to disputes. In contrast, Waymo adopts a different approach by assuming responsibility for accidents, changing the liability landscape. The Model 2's compact size, approximately 30% smaller than the Model 3, enables a more affordable production and pricing strategy. Its minimalistic design effectively caters to budget-conscious consumers. Focusing on essential features rather than luxury, the Model 2 appeals to consumers seeking a reliable, budget-friendly electric vehicle. This aligns with Tesla's vision of mass adoption for electric vehicles. Tesla's integration of lithium iron phosphate batteries in the Model 2 supports cost-effectiveness without sacrificing reliability. This decision aligns with Tesla's mission to make electric vehicles more accessible. To enhance its manufacturing techniques, Tesla's engineering team studied low-cost vehicle production methods by disassembling a Honda Civic. This endeavor illustrates their commitment to innovation and efficiency. The Model 2 will leverage Tesla's Gigapress for streamlined production, facilitating efficient chassis manufacturing with fewer components. This technology significantly alleviates labor and material costs. By incorporating aluminum in the Model 2's design, Tesla effectively reduces the vehicle's weight, enhancing range and efficiency. This strategy resonates with trends exhibited by other EV manufacturers like Ford and Lucid. In summary, Tesla's approach to the Model 2 emphasizes innovation, affordability, and efficiency, positioning it strategically in the competitive electric vehicle market. Tesla introduces the Model 2, offering two variants, a rear-wheel drive base model and a more premium all-wheel drive option, designed to cater to a wide range of consumer preferences. Amid recent sales challenges with its existing models, Tesla is counting on the Model 2 to reclaim its market share, especially in light of rising competition from companies like BYD. To maintain affordability, Tesla has opted to forego some luxury and comfort features in the Model 2, focusing instead on consumers who prioritize value in their vehicle purchase. The decision to switch to fabric upholstery and eliminate features such as seat ventilation and a power liftgate effectively cuts costs while still aligning with the vehicle's budget-friendly design. Equipped with a 53 kWh LFP battery, the Model 2 strikes a balance between performance and price, providing an estimated range of 230 miles, appealing to cost-conscious consumers. The production strategy for the Model 2 integrates insights gained from the robotaxi project, leveraging existing manufacturing lines to enhance efficiency despite initial obstacles in the unbox process. While the Cybercab is projected to launch in 2026, the Model 2 is expected to follow closely, illustrating Tesla's deliberate and strategic approach to manufacturing timelines. Investors regard the robotaxi service as a promising new revenue source for Tesla, with predictions indicating considerable growth in the commercial self-driving vehicle market by 2030, potentially transforming the ride-hailing industry. However, legal hurdles and operational expenses are significant concerns for Tesla's robotaxi service, as potential liabilities from accidents and the complexities of insurance and maintenance could present challenges for customers. The Model 2 introduces at least 21 significant design changes compared to the Model Y, which influence its overall aesthetics and functionality. This sets it apart as a distinctive addition to Tesla's lineup. Despite implementing cost-cutting measures, the Model 2 is set to support full self-driving features. This reflects Tesla's dedication to embedding advanced technology even in their more budget-friendly models. One notable change is the removal of the panoramic roof, which is now replaced by a solid roof panel. This alteration could significantly influence buyers' perceptions of interior space and overall openness. The interior design of the Model 2 is notably minimalistic, lacking features like a rear screen and A-pillar speakers. This approach not only emphasizes simplicity but also aligns with Tesla's commitment to affordability. Production of the Model 2 commenced in June, likely at the Fremont factory, which is concurrently producing the Model Y. This shared production line enhances manufacturing efficiency. With a compact 53 kWh LFP battery, the Model 2 strikes a balance between performance and cost. This choice caters to budget-conscious consumers seeking a practical electric vehicle option. The Model 2 will feature two versions, a base RWD and a long-range AWD, prioritizing everyday usability over high performance. This strategy aligns with the current market demands. Elon Musk has pointed out a critical issue within the automotive sector: strong demand coupled with limited consumer purchasing power. This underscores the necessity for affordable electric vehicle choices. With the launch of the Model 2, Tesla positions itself to compete against BYD, which offers more affordable vehicles. Sustaining growth is essential in the face of increasing competition within the EV market. The elimination of the $7,500 federal EV tax credit poses a significant challenge for Tesla, impacting the Model 2's affordability and appeal to potential buyers. Tesla is adopting a pragmatic strategy by utilizing the existing Model Y platform, which reduces research and development costs while expediting the Model 2's production. While the Model 2 provides a more budget-friendly option for consumers, it inevitably comes with trade-offs, including the omission of signature features that have characterized Tesla's premium identity. Production of the Model 2 commenced in June, with pre-orders anticipated in the third quarter. This timeline aligns strategically with the expiration of tax credits, showcasing Tesla's ability to adapt its business model. Tesla introduced several new incentives, such as discounts for essential workers and complimentary trials of self-driving features, to attract customers before the tax credit period concludes. This approach demonstrates Tesla's strong focus on customer retention. Initial reactions to the Model 2's design were mixed. However, it bears resemblance to a redesigned Model Y, now boasting enhanced features. This model is set to redefine Tesla's value proposition in the competitive electric vehicle market. The Fremont factory is ideally located to manage the Model 2 project without hindering existing production lines. This strategic position makes it perfect for the initial prototype testing phase. The Model 2 incorporates significant design changes aimed at reducing costs and simplifying features, all while retaining essential functions like full self-driving capabilities. This balance is critical for market viability. Expectations surrounding Tesla's upcoming event are polarized. Some fans expressed disappointment with the Model 2's design, preferring more innovative features rather than a scaled-down Model Y. It's important to note that the Model 2 is not entirely new. It shares numerous components with the Model Y, which effectively lowers research and development costs as well as production timelines. This strategic decision addresses growing competition. Despite apprehensions regarding feature reductions, demand for the Model 2 remains strong, indicating that affordability is a top priority for consumers. This trend underscores a shift in market preferences. Looking ahead, Tesla's strategy emphasizes reducing prices on existing vehicles while launching premium trims to remain competitive, especially in light of evolving consumer expectations. This approach is crucial for sustaining relevance in the market. The Model 2 seeks to draw in a broader audience by offering an affordable electric car option, targeting individuals who have felt excluded from the market due to high prices. Elon Musk asserts that the Model 2 will be equipped with cutting-edge technology and produced at an unprecedented scale, which sets high expectations regarding its performance. Despite previously voiced skepticism about the project, Tesla has now dedicated itself to full-scale production, marking a significant shift in its strategy toward making vehicles more accessible. The design of the Model 2 emphasizes a minimalist yet stylish approach, with aesthetically pleasing features borrowed from the Model 3, critical for achieving the targeted $15,000 price point. In its quest to maintain affordability, Tesla has opted for basic materials and simpler finishes in the interior, prioritizing practicality over luxury to ensure wider access to electric vehicles. Tesla's manufacturing strategy relies heavily on software controls and over-the-air updates, minimizing physical buttons and entertainment systems, which helps to reduce production costs while enhancing user experience. The Model 2 will employ cost-effective lithium iron phosphate batteries, which might affect performance but still provide reliable energy for entry-level electric vehicle consumers. With a weight reduction of around 30% compared to the Model Y, the Model 2 is poised to achieve improved range efficiency without a substantial increase in price. By focusing on LFP batteries, Tesla strikes a balance between cost and performance, with 70% of Teslas already utilizing this technology to ensure both affordability and longevity. Elon Musk's strategy includes a keen analysis of competitors such as Honda, aiming to elevate production methods that emphasize innovation rather than imitation, aligning with Tesla's core philosophy. To enhance efficiency, Tesla employs advanced manufacturing techniques, including the gigapress, which streamlines the rapid assembly of the Model 2's compact chassis. Utilizing aluminum in the Model 2 significantly decreases weight, resulting in improved range and efficiency, while also boosting overall performance and handling when compared to traditional steel. The Model 2 presents an opportunity for consumers who find current Tesla models prohibitively expensive to own an electric vehicle at a more accessible price point. This strategic initiative could potentially broaden Tesla's customer base. The relationship of the Model 2 to the Model Y has elicited mixed responses from enthusiasts. While some express disappointment over its design not being entirely new, others welcome the focus on affordability. In the face of intensifying competition from companies such as BYD, Elon Musk's introduction of the Model 2 with a starting price of $15,990 could serve as a vital tactic for preserving Tesla's market position. The Model 2 will showcase a compact crossover design, approximately 15% shorter than the Model Y, which aligns with American consumer preferences. This choice may resonate well with buyers looking for practicality in their vehicles. To keep production costs down, Tesla has removed several features, including the switch from faux leather seats to fabric. Although some may find this disappointing, it is a necessary step toward enhancing affordability. Cost-cutting approaches also extend to the speaker system, which has been reduced from 14 to 9 speakers. This adjustment maintains essential audio quality while ensuring the vehicle remains budget-friendly. The Model 2 will incorporate a less powerful rear-wheel drive motor paired with a smaller 53 kWh battery. This strategy emphasizes cost reduction while still delivering acceptable performance, in line with Tesla's commitment to affordability. Notably, despite its reduced price, the Model 2 will still offer advanced self-driving technology, enabling access to autonomous features for a broader audience. This dedication to innovation underscores Tesla's vision for the future of mobility. Additionally, Tesla's new LFP battery plant in Nevada is anticipated to significantly lower battery production costs. This development not only enhances domestic manufacturing but also reduces dependence on international supply chains, supporting long-term cost efficiency. For the Model 2 are projected to decline due to Tesla's investments in new battery technology, potentially offering savings of $4,000 to $8,000 for buyers. Such efficiencies enhance the vehicle's affordability. Tesla's focus shifts towards a compact crossover design for the Model 2, aligning with current market trends that favor smaller vehicles in urban environments. This design effectively addresses space constraints. To maintain cost-effectiveness, Tesla plans to omit several premium features from higher-end models, such as leather seats and advanced sound systems. This approach aims to enhance affordability while preserving essential performance. Gigacasting technology enables Tesla to manufacture large car components as a single piece, significantly reducing the number of parts and simplifying assembly. This innovation is crucial for driving down production costs. The Tesla Model 2 is anticipated to launch in late 2025, with a starting price of $16,990 for the base model. This positioning makes it a competitive contender against budget-friendly EVs from brands like BYD. Despite facing hurdles in both sales and production, Tesla's emphasis on affordability with the Model 2 seeks to attract a broader customer base, ensuring its competitive edge in the electric vehicle market. Switching from synthetic leather seats to fabric upholstery results in savings of around $400. While this may disappoint some customers who prefer leather, it represents a practical compromise for a budget-friendly vehicle. Tesla's decision to introduce a manual liftgate instead of a powered one saves approximately $250. This choice simplifies production complexity and reduces long-term maintenance expenses. Equipped with a 53 kWh LFP battery, the Model 2 offers an estimated range of 230 miles. This performance is efficient for a small hatchback and